Okay guys, welcome back. So Alibaba, they reported earnings last night, or actually in the morning. So $1.40 EPS, slightly lower than what market was expecting. Stock is down 7% so far. Market is still open, it's still trading 78, that's where it is at the moment. 78 bucks is your support right here right now for the stock. Because let me just switch to daily chart. So here's what I'm watching for Baba going forward from here. So you guys know that it did this whole like sideways move of a 5 months or 6 months, and it did break out of this channel recently with a pretty big gap. Okay, so this is your line in the sense that basically that's 78, pretty pivotal, but it can definitely come test its 50-day SMA as well. So right here, right now, stock is, yes, it's getting hit, but still in an uptrend unless it breaks 50-day simple moving average, which is at the moment this line right here. So below 75, Alibaba will fall into no man's land. But as long as it stays above 78, it has a potential to go higher. Possibly it needs to take out of this 85, but I have spoken about these levels many times already, even on my previous videos. 87.50, that's your resistance. Above that, you have resistance at 95 and $100. These are very big pivotal levels, but this red line you can see on my chart represents 200-day SMA. So stock below it today so far, but market is still open, it is still trading. They declared a dividend as well. They're gonna pay out. So last year they did as well, dollar or so. I think that's for the whole year, but this time around they're about to pay 66 cents in June. So these are the levels I'm watching for Alibaba. There's not much to talk about unless, let's take a look at maybe option activity. Unless it gets out of those ranges. At the moment, it can be just in this range bound for quite some time. Calls 212,000 so far, puts 81,000 puts. So there's definitely more call activity going on. And if you take a look at the strikes that people are coming in, June 21st, 85's pretty popular. I'm not sure if these are being sold or bought, but 90, 85 going into June. And this week, weeklies, I'm seeing some 82, and next year 2026 there's one $80 call, but we'll see what what it's gonna do once it breaks out of this level. But so far I'm not a buyer until it gets back above the 200-day moving average and fills this gap. Of course, it gave back the gap up that it had yesterday. Basically, give or take, it is doing exactly what it has been doing last week, or it spent pretty much doing nothing, burning a lot of premium. So until option expiration of this week, it can do exactly the same thing. But as long as it stays above 75, that's good. So that's what I'm watching for Alibaba. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.